So South Carolina really needs some rain. 2025, we did not get a lot of rain down in the low country. Our pond level has dropped significantly low, and we are in desperate need of some real good rain. This is Saturday, January the 10th of 2026. And this is probably the lowest our pond has been since we've had it. The wind's blowing nice, and it feels awesome when the wind blows. Come on, I want to hear a fishy jump. I'm worried about the fishies. Yes, it's supposed to be a fully stocked pond, and had been until we've lost a lot of water, and I have not heard a fish jump yet. I can hear the birds chirping though. As you can see, we really need some rain in South Carolina. Our pond level has dropped significantly because we do not and have not had a lot of rain for 2025. The breeze feels amazing. January the 10th, Saturday morning, 2026. Beautiful Saturday, January the 10th morning.